Alrighty, welcome back, boys and girls. It's your main math man, Mr. Shank, coming to you live from Walker Grant Middle School. And right now, what I'm doing is I'm currently downloading in that iOS store. I'm downloading the IXL app, so that way, at any point in time, I can work on those missing sections that everybody needs to be working on. Again, you want to make sure that you are either connected to Wi-Fi or if you're using data, make sure you're checking with your parents before you do that. Again, just in the search on the normal iOS store or app store is where you need to type in the letters IXL. It will be the first result as math and English, and it says Excel everywhere, which that's all you're trying to do. Again, once it's done downloading, you just hit that open. And what you want to do, since you have an account already, you do not need to pay for anything at all. And so, hit that sign in button. Again, you want to make sure you're using your username that you have, which is usually your first initial and then last name. So for me, I'm going to use this. And then the key part is the @WG. So please make sure that you do include the @WG for yourself. Again, usually your password is your lunch number, and so I'm going to slide that over for 1 second while I sign in. Again, it is the same one that you usually use at school, and so that way you have the same amount of progress that you always need. Alright, so again, once you type it in, have that @WG for yourself, hit that sign in button, save custom sign in, sure. That way you only do it once and only. It comes, look at that animation, I mean it is ready to go. Again, click the subject at the top. We're trying to do some math because, hey, that's the most important subject and the only subject that matters. However, we are not in pre-K. We are in 8th grade. Sometimes we bump down to 6th grade or 5th grade or whatever it may be. Maybe we bump up to Algebra 1 or other topics. But, again, you can click that section and it has broken down for you exactly what you need. Again, it'll have your progress from before, and so again you can click whatever sections you need to go. Yes, someone pointed out it is in alphabetical order for you. Everything is there, and most importantly, again, the easiest one you have is at CC14. That is at the very bottom. Again, make sure you're using those wisely. I apologize for the... There we go. A little bit better there. Again, make sure you're creating and doing all those sections that are necessary as we close out the year. Again, be sure to stay signed in. Be sure to stay ahead of the game and make sure you're slamming that subscribe button.